Alright, so the first step is to get this little camera mount. So I already took this reel out. So the reel is here. The reel is here that's to secure on this drone right here. Alright, like that way. Like that. Okay. Secure right there. See two bolts right there. So we're going to screw this two bolts to that lock right there. Right. Okay. Next, let's secure this thing on. I think I made a mistake because here, by doing this, we cannot mount this camera on here because there are 4 bolts right there. So I think the right way is to actually get the camera on first and then put the whole assemble. Let me check the user manual. So apparently the right way to do it is get this thing to the camera first, like that. Okay. Alright, let's do it. Let me get the screws that comes with your MicaSense camera with the bolts. So in your MicaSense box, there's like a small bag like that, bag of screws. So we're going to need the screws to secure the camera. One, two, three. Let's get 3 of them. let's install this first. That way. So we're going to put 3 screws right here, because this thing only provides 3 screws, because this one right here, you see there's no way to install it because of the alignment, right? So only this 1, 2, 3 screws can be installed. Alright, we're going to do it this way. This is facing front. I want this USB dongle to face outside, so let's put it that way. Alright, so we're going to install it this way. So the whole thing is like that way, okay? And then this would be, everything is backward, so we need to make sure that this thing goes that way. Yep, that way. And we're missing one bolt right here. That way, okay. Alright, so we're doing it this way. Awesome. Don't fully tighten them until the last minute, because you might need to rebalance the 3 bolts. Alright, it's aligned really well. Okay, let's make sure it's tight. I feel that we need to re-tighten these bolts once every while, because after several flights, the vibration of the drone flights will loosen up these bolts. Okay. Okay, we're good right now, and then this whole thing will be secured into this reel. That's the wrong way. Alright. Dongle outside. Facing outside. So we're going to use that here. That. Awesome. We're going to tighten the screw a little bit. So let's get this whole thing out. So we can tighten that bolt. Okay. Alright. Let's see what size we need. Too big. still too big. Perfect. Tight this. And make sure it's not really tight. It's wobbling a little bit. Let's check if we need to push this further forward. Okay. Still a little bit of wobbling, but it's okay, I think. Alright. It's a little bit shaky there. But I guess that's the way how it's designed. Alright, that's now secured. Alright, so the next thing is the battery mount. Now this thing is when if we need a battery, we're going to install that to the landing gears. But now we don't really have it, have battery. We're going to power with the from the drone, so we don't really need it. Okay, so let's see what we will do for the next. Because next we're going to put this cable, solder the cable, right? So we'll do it this way, right? So we will power the multispectral camera with the board, right? This board will then be connected to the MicaSense camera, and this whole thing will be this way, and this goes to the drone. All right. You don't see it, but alright, I figure out maybe better to put it, just put this landing gears there. So don't worry about the propellers. Okay, on. Alright. Okay. On this side. Okay. Now we're going to rotate the broom this side. So you can see the connectors. That way, okay. Alright, so how this motor works is that it has a 4-pin power cable that goes to the power right here. Alright, we're going to secure this board some way. Alright, and then we're going to power the whole thing. We might use a Velcro to do it that way. Alright. Or what we might do, because this thing goes to one of the, yeah, we're going to do it that way, okay? We're going to install this thing there. Alright, so that's good there. We're going to put this, alright, into the Velcro, that way. Okay. Maybe better do it this way, right here, all right. Okay. Okay, cool. Put it back. Alright, and then we're going to solder this part, okay? We're going to solder this. Oh. So first, we're going to measure which inner side or outside is the ground. Alright, so let's do measure that with your multimeter. So I've marked one of them with red. Let's see. Usually that should be inside. Alright, it connects. Look, the multimeter. Right. Alright, and so that means this inner side is the power, while the outer side should be the ground. Just to double check that. Uh-oh. Lovely. So let's measure that again. So this red should be the inner side. Doesn't work? Alright. Inner side. Okay. Alright, so that's the inner side. Okay. That should be red. Okay. And this one, there's no marker. Black should be the ground. The ground is broken. Interesting. Ground doesn't work. Bad cable. It's a bad cable.